Don't you just love a cup of fresh hot cocoa after being outside in the cold, or even if it's just a kind of a gloomy day, or sometimes just because? Did you know you can spice up your hot chocolate or give it a big flavor burst using essential oils? You want to make sure you're using essential oils that are approved for internal consumption. So with doTERRA's oils, if they have a supplement fact label on them, they are good to use internally. They are safe. Peppermint oil is a wonderful oil to add to hot chocolate. You want to make sure the essential oil you use has a supplement fact on it. That means it is safe to use internally. And with doTERRA oils, they are extremely strong. So you want to use a toothpick to put it in, to add it instead of a whole drop. A whole drop is a lot of times too much. So it's got a little opening in the middle. Put your toothpick in, tip the oil over, and it gets some oil on your toothpick. Then you can take your toothpick and swirl it in the hot chocolate. And this will add the essential oil in there, add the flavoring. Then you can taste it and see if it is enough. Always add more. It's hard to take it out. That's why we do the toothpick method, because essential oils are extremely potent. 1 drop of peppermint oil is got the same potency as 29 cups of peppermint tea. So it's very strong. Just a hint of peppermint. I could actually probably do a whole drop of peppermint oil in here because I really like peppermint. But experiment with it. Start small and you can always add more. Other oils to use are wild orange. Wild orange and chocolate are wonderfully flavored together. Just the combination of the two is fantastic. So this is a more mild oil. I would probably add just a straight drop, but I would start, for most people, I would say start with a toothpick and see how much you like in there. Cardamom is a spice that adds wonderful flavor to chocolate. It's another one where that combination is just delicious. I like it adding cardamom to like truffles. So with hot chocolate, this will also be a great one. Spearmint is another of the mint family that would also add a little life. It's just a little bit different than the peppermint. Sometimes it's a lot gentler. Kids will like it a little bit more than the peppermint. Cassia is on the cinnamon style of blend. You can also add just regular cinnamon oil. Both cassia and cinnamon are more on the hotter oil, so you definitely don't want to get them on your skin, and definitely want to use a toothpick with these. If you're a little more adventurous, try taking lemon and mixing it with black pepper. So use a different toothpick for each oil. So you'll have 2 toothpicks with this and do 2 little swirls. And it gives you a kind of a zingy spice to your hot chocolate. You can experiment with it. You're having company over after a hockey game or some sort of outdoor activity, a sledding event, skiing, whatever. How about setting up a hot chocolate bar where you can have hot chocolate set out and your oils with a lot of toothpicks available so they can try different flavors of essential oils mixed with the hot chocolate. Absolutely delicious. And don't forget the marshmallows. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.